Welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at the stock price of Unity Software Inc. And today the stock is down by about 35%, trading at $31.19. Today's volume is at 38 million compared to an average volume of 4 million. 52-week range for this stock is $30 all the way up to $210. And for today, the range has been from $30 all the way up to $34 for today. So Unity Software is based out of San Francisco in California, and the company is active in the 2D, 3D gaming space. They build games for different platforms, be it PC, consoles, and so the company is actually quite valuable. But what has happened is the company has issued, they reported their first quarter 2022 earnings, and those were not very encouraging. They missed their target by about, I think, 20%. That they underperformed, and then they also revised their outlook for the rest of the year, and they revised it lower. So that did not help at all. You can see how the stock suddenly dropped from Tuesday to Wednesday. That was quite a huge drop from $49. It came down to $32. That is 2 days ago to yesterday. And then of course today you have the stock trading at in the 30s. So that's a huge drop in the stock price. And then the other thing happening with this company is that the insiders, especially one of the co-founders, over the past 3 months, I could go back all the way to 6 months, they have been selling huge amounts of shares in the company. So in a way, that tells investors that they think that the stock value of this company will be dropping, and it doesn't inspire confidence. If the co-founder is selling all of his shares to go into a cash strong position, then something is wrong. It tells you that, hey, it's time also to bail out. If the co-founder doesn't believe in the company to leave his money in there, why would you go and invest your money in the company when he's jumping out? And even if he jumps out, he still has a golden parachute. I believe they said one of the former CFOs, that's the chief financial officers, he still makes about $40 million a year. That's his the kind of deal that he signed with the company. Of course, all of this is you guys have to verify it, but that's the word on the street, that the former CFO makes about $40 million and he's no longer active with the company. So you guys can see for yourself, over the past 5 days, the stock was trading at about $64. It is now at half of that position. We go back 6 months, you can see that the stock was trading at $197. Today is trading at $30. A month ago, the stock was trading at $94. Today is trading at a third of that amount. And 1 year ago, well, the stock was still a bit low at $87, and then it ran up until around November. That was the peak, and it seems like November was the peak for many stocks. Since November, there has just been a slow and steady decline, and that's true for many stocks. We don't know how low this is going to continue, but you can see definitely there. October, November last year, many stocks just started this slow descent. So we will see how this pans out. But yeah, for the time being, I think a lot of people are jumping ship, and that's why the stock just keeps sliding down. Right now it's at $36. Down 36%, trading at $30. And the volume is just off the charts, almost 10 times what it would normally be at. So we are at 4 million on a normal day average volume, and today we are at 38 million shares that have exchanged hands. So that's what we have to share with you guys today. Of course, looking at the top of your screen, you can see that all those major indices today are down. I think this should be about the second or third day in a row, and they go down by not just a quarter of a percentage point, half a percentage point. they've been going down like fast, like 1%, 1.5, at times 2%. Like the Nasdaq, which you can see today, is down 2.51%. So very, very uncertain times, and economically, I do advise anyone listening to this channel, please use quite a bit of caution. Try as much as you can to get to a cash heavy position. That way you are ready and poised to take advantage of any opportunities that open up over the next couple of weeks to months. For all I know, this is just unsustainable. We can't have the economy just sinking, tanking, and nothing happens. So I know some action will be taken to remedy this situation. When that will happen, it's anyone's guess. But I'm sure the government officials, the Federal Reserve, they're all looking closely at the markets, and they're cooking something up, and hopefully it comes out good, and people don't lose their shirts or their homes or their life savings or have their 401ks wiped out because action wasn't taken sooner enough. Enough of that, guys. So yeah, there you have it on your screen. Unity Software down today 36.80%, trading at $30.38. Thanks for joining me. Click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.